So today I'm going to show how you can make cheese carbonara noodles. So totally a homely recipe we will be showing you. So hopefully you will like our recipe. So first of all we are going to tear it off. Then we are going to pour these noodles into the hot boiling water. So we have two packs inside the packet of these noodles. So this is a saucy one and this is the cheese. First of all you need to boil some water first. Later on you will pour it into the boiling water, and now we need to wait for a few minutes, like 1 minute. Then you have to stir it up very well. You can see it's a fresh noodles. Now with the hot boiling water it's getting thicker gradually. We will not give more time. So in this video we are going to stir it with 2 forks. So you can see it getting softer. So at this stage we are going to give some time to make it more softer, so that we can make it a juicy flavor. So you can see how it's working. For our comfortness we are going to loosen it with the forks. So you can see we're almost there for mixing up some masala with this. So we need to wait more 1 minute for a better juicy softer noodles. At this stage we are going to stir it up a little bit more. And we will keep our stove with the medium level. You can see the level here, it's a medium, not that much. So now we are moving to our next stage, where we are going to mix the saucy pack with the noodles. So we are turning off. So you can see it's a tight pack. You can see the sauce here, which is so spicy, and so spicy level depends on your taste bud. So if you want it too much spicy, then you just mix it up with all. If you want a little spicy, then you will just keep a little bit in the packet. So now you can see we got a look here with the noodles. At this stage we are going to make it in the maximum stage of fire. Now we are going to stir it up a little bit more with the forks. So you can see the color comes up. At this stage we are going to wait a little bit more for mix it very well with the noodles. You can see we can smell here, it's so yummy. Let's see what happened in the final stage. Stir it up very well. Stir it very well. Okay. Now we are in the final stage, where we are going to mix our cheese pack with this mixture. So we're going to tear it off and mix it with the noodles. So now we are going to keep our fire like this, like lower, So now we are going to mix our cheese with this noodles. This is our cheese pack. So we are going to give this with the noodles. It will make it more thicker and juicy also. So mix it well, very well, by keeping the fire like this. Stirring, stirring, stirring. We're almost done. We're almost done. You see, little bit spices are also mixed with this pack, so it's just coming up. So in the front we can see some little spices around the noodles, which gives a look of juiciness, and it also makes it thicker, and also a little bit of whitish look it gives. So we are almost done. We are almost done. Totally great noodles to have. Whenever you feel hungry, you can make it very easily within 2 or 3 minutes. So I think you will like our recipe, and you can make yours one. And let us share your recipes with ours one. In our video, you can share your recipe, your columns. You can give comments on our video, so that we can send what makes it hard for you. We can make it easier. So guys, hopefully you will like our recipe, and you'll give your valuable comments, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, because we are making it for you. So I think you will appreciate it too. So we are done. So now we are giving the final look in our final plate. So you can see how juicy and how spicy it looks. It's really great. Really, really great. I think you guys like our video, and don't forget to share with your near and dear ones, and hopefully you definitely will subscribe our channel and like our video. Thank you so much. So this is our carbonara cheese flavor ramen. So hope you will like our video, and you will make your recipe just like us, and share it with our comment section. Thank you so much.